Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Polemy. Today we'll be doing an acrylic painting. For that I'm using some acrylic colors, some brushes, and this is a big canvas, 20 by 16 inch. So let's start. This is my reference photo. It's a sunset silhouette winter photo, and I will be beginning with priming the canvas by applying a light acrylic wash. For the sky, I'm using a mix of phthalo blue and titanium white. The colors I've used for the sky is the same color I'll be using to paint the base of the snow. However, we'll just add some purple to it. So this color is a mix of purple, phthalo blue and titanium white. Now we'll be painting the second color in the sky, and this is a mix of orange, titanium white and a bit of phthalo blue. Also, you can see I've divided the horizon by using masking tape. The third color I'm using is cadmium orange mixed with a little bit of titanium white. On top of the orange, I'm using a little bit of crimson, and to depict the sun rays, I'm using pure titanium white and cadmium yellow. For painting the icy lake, I'm using a mix of phthalo blue and crimson. For highlighting the snow, I'm using pure titanium white and I'll merge it with water. This is an extremely easy landscape which beginners can paint. It looks complicated, but it's beautiful and very gorgeous if put on the wall. To depict the land, I'm using a hard brush and putting a mix of phthalo blue and crimson wherever there are stubs. Friends, if you like my paintings and channel, please do subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future videos, and people who are already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Now I'll be using ivory black to paint the edge of the icy lake and the silhouette trees. For painting the silhouette trees, I'm using ivory black and would paint the branches with a very thin brush, probably a 0 size. And for the leaves, I'll be using a hard brush and blotching the paint as per the reference photo. Painting the trees per the reference photo, trying to be as close as possible. Now finally, by adding the straws as per the reference photo, we'll be completing this painting. So that's the complete painting, and beside that on the iPad we have the reference photo. Hope you like this painting, and if you do, please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.